We know that businesses are under pressure, and they all face the same key challenges to stay afloat. They need greater agility, better efficiency, and improved productivity. To help meet these challenges, companies are turning to IT to improve processes, deploy and support new systems and technology, and of course, manage and protect an ever-growing amount of corporate data. But what's the impact of this on IT? And in a tough economic climate, how do IT teams with limited resources and budget ensure their business achieves its goals? Well, quite simply, they need to do more with less. In a recent study, it was shown that 77% of the data breaches analyzed were at companies that had fewer than 1,000 employees. But despite that, 85% of small business owners believe a data breach is unlikely. And as scary as it may sound, there are many who aren't implementing simple security measures that will help protect their customer or employee data. At Kaspersky, we see the threat of malware is growing exponentially. Cybercriminals are attacking businesses any way they can. And today, the #1 target for cybercriminals is unpatched vulnerabilities in application code. And these can be exploited by malware. In fact, 75% of all vulnerabilities targeted are in PDF, browser, and Java applications. At the same time, businesses have to support a hypermobile workforce with a tremendous amount of data on laptops, smartphones, tablets, and other portable devices. And that data isn't as safe as you might think. According to another study, up to 10% of all laptops will be lost or stolen within their useful lifespan. And 75% of employees choose mobile devices without considering corporate security needs. So, how can you deal with these new threats? Well, you've likely already invested in a fairly robust antivirus solution. But to manage all these new vectors, you also need a systems management solution for patching holes in your applications, an encryption tool to protect data on laptops, and a mobile device management tool to secure your mobile phones. That means 4 or possibly more evaluation processes, 4 or more separate management consoles, and multiple policies to create, maintain, and enforce. But more importantly, even if you make the effort to get all of these tools, you're still going to have gaps in your overall security posture. Why? Because you have multiple policy sets and systems that just aren't designed to work well together. As a result of this, IT security professionals tell us that one of the biggest challenges they face is the lack of interoperability between their security systems. So this means that the core challenge in today's environment isn't that there are no tools available, it's that each individual tool adds to the complexity you face when trying to implement your security policies. And complexity is the enemy of security. But what if you could reduce the number of tools you have to work with and the number of consoles you have to manage while still getting the security that you need? With Kaspersky, you can close the gaps in your security posture and reduce the number of tools you have to work with. Over the next few minutes, I want to share with you how only Kaspersky provides complete, fully integrated protection that gives you the world's best anti-malware protection, robust control tools, plus systems management, encryption, and mobile device management, all managed from a single console and available in a single purchase. But this isn't just about you getting 4 separate systems or a suite of products for one price. This is about a unified platform that makes it easy for you to see your risk across your systems and endpoints. You can apply your policies consistently, and finally, bring your security posture in line with your business objectives. One platform, one console, one cost. So, you're able to reduce the risk to your data, reduce the complexity of your security tools, and reduce your investment. Kaspersky Endpoint Security for Business delivers a broad array of tools and technologies that give you the ability to see, control, and protect all of your endpoint devices, and includes our new technologies, data encryption, mobile security, and systems management, which also incorporates patch management. And all of these are managed from a single administrative console, the Kaspersky Security Center. Before we go into these new technologies, I want to explain that the foundation of our security platform is Kaspersky's award-winning anti-malware technology. This consists of several scanning modules, cloud-assisted protection, and a robust firewall. Now, if you're not familiar with Kaspersky's history as a technology leader in malware detection and removal, I encourage you to review many of the independent test results that confirm it. So, added to this foundation is encryption, a solid technology to help you protect your critical data. Nothing provides better assurance that your data will be unreadable if it happens to fall into the wrong hands. Encryption is the perfect solution if one of your employees misplaces a USB storage device or has their laptop lost or stolen. On the subject of encryption, one key differentiator that Kaspersky offers is the ability to employ integrated policies. This is important, and you'll frequently hear Kaspersky refer to this term. Integrated policies allow the administrator to set a single policy that covers multiple technologies such as application control, device control, and encryption. Kaspersky doesn't force you to create 3 different policies from 3 different consoles. This is a big time saver, and it removes the complexity from your IT environment. For example, we can integrate a device control policy with our encryption technology by mandating that the data on a removable device is encrypted. The encryption technology also intersects with Kaspersky's application controls. This means a single policy creates a transparent experience for the user by restricting access to encrypted files by certain applications. Most solutions in the market today don't have this flexibility, and they force the IT manager to create multiple policies and manage them from multiple consoles. All IT departments need to secure their mobile devices. Our approach to mobile security is twofold: an endpoint agent for mobile devices and mobile device management, or MDM as it's commonly known, for the administrator. MDM lets you securely configure mobile devices. This can include basic device settings or advanced security features which are enabled by our endpoint agent. A device can be configured remotely by sending a text or an email, so the IT department doesn't have to physically handle the device. And because MDM is a managed component of Kaspersky Security Center, you won't need additional training or investment to secure your mobile deployments. Kaspersky Endpoint Security for Business is also perfect for bring your own device initiatives. Administrators can containerize data on a mobile device, keeping personal and corporate data separated. And you can also adopt separate encryption policies for these containers. Each container can then be selectively wiped in case of theft or loss, or if the employee leaves the company. Kaspersky has developed comprehensive systems management technology to help the administrator enhance their security and streamline IT efficiency. IT managers tell us that a big part of their daily routine is chasing missing patches and other high-touch tasks. But with Kaspersky, we take the complexity out of the job. You can create, store, and deploy individual disk images with our systems provisioning module, keep track of the software licenses that your organization is using, deploy software or updates to an endpoint or group of endpoints, which is especially valuable for organizations with branch or remote offices. You can carry out hardware and software inventories and compare them to multiple databases for known vulnerabilities. And when you apply Kaspersky's advanced patching module, you can easily prioritize which vulnerabilities require your immediate attention. Powerful control tools are also integrated into the platform. Device control helps you enforce policies on connected peripheral devices. Web control ensures your online policies are maintained even when the endpoint is off the network. And lastly, and most importantly, application control with dynamic whitelisting allows the IT administrator to create and enforce policies around the usage and privileges of applications in the workplace. Many of these integrated components work together and are made even stronger by our cloud-based reputation system, the Kaspersky Security Network, which is a key element in our platform. Tens of millions of Kaspersky users around the world provide snapshots of suspicious activity on their systems. This powerful technology enables Kaspersky to globally respond to a malware outbreak in seconds. Kaspersky Endpoint Security for Business offers progressive levels of protection. You choose which of these features are right for your business today. As you move through each tier, you get more security technologies included in the platform. The core tier of Kaspersky's Endpoint Security for Business gives you Kaspersky's award-winning and powerful anti-malware technology and a protective firewall with Kaspersky Security Center for central management. If you only require anti-malware, this is the solution for you. The Kaspersky Endpoint Security for Business Select tier begins with anti-malware and then adds powerful endpoint control tools such as application control with dynamic whitelisting, granular device control, and web control. And mobile device management is added as a component of Kaspersky Security Center to simplify the tasks of mobile security. If your job includes creating and enforcing IT security policies and protecting a mobile workforce, the Select tier is right for you. Now, let's talk about Kaspersky Endpoint Security for Business Advanced tier. This is where we add data protection and efficiency tools, such as systems management and encryption. Customers can choose from file or full disk encryption and can easily deploy the solution across their entire environment. The systems management feature contains powerful IT efficiency and security features that will help remove that complexity and cost from your environment. Things like patch management, system provisioning, vulnerability scanning, hardware and software inventories, network admission control, and remote software installation. So, if you're challenged by the complexity of your IT security tools and you have users that require encryption, the advanced tier is designed to solve those problems. Our flagship offering is called Kaspersky Total Security for Business. It includes all of the technologies of the previous tiers and adds the power of Kaspersky's collaboration server protection and our popular mail and internet gateway security products. This is the perfect solution for organizations with broad security requirements who demand the best protection at every level of the network. With Kaspersky Endpoint Security for Business, we are delivering the industry's first true security platform built from the ground up. We've made it easy for IT administrators in any size of organization to see, control, and protect their world, all from just one management console. You get the perfect combination of deep protection and seamless manageability. And you can protect your company's data no matter where it is without adding to your resource requirements. With an interface that's intuitive and technology that's easy to use, easy to deploy, and easy to manage, you reduce your business risk and maintain maximum business efficiency.